Nga pala si Francis de Legaw na isa sa mga binago ng Panginoon dahil sa takbo ng buhay ko ay hindi naging maganda na sa mga bagay na masama ay sige lang ako ng sige. At nung nakakilala ako sa Panginoon ay doon ko naramdaman yung tunay na pagbabago ng aking buhay. Dahil sa kanyang mga salita ay sa John 3:16, sapagkat gayon na lamang ang pag-ibig ng Diyos sa sangkatauhan, kaya't ibinigay niya ang kanyang kaisa-isang anak upang ang sino mang sumampalataya sa kanya ay hindi mapahamak, kundi magkaroon ng buhay na walang hanggan. Yan yung pinaka-favorite kong verse kasi napakabuti ng Diyos sa akin dahil sa mga kasalanan ko, siya ang sumalo sa lahat ng aking mga kasalanan. Doon ko naramdaman na may isang tao pala na sumalo lahat ng aking mga kasalanan. At yun, doon ko naramdaman yung pagmamahal sa akin ng Diyos. At ako ay naging isang worship team sa aming church kasi doon ko mas makikilala ang Panginoon sa aking pagtugtog. At yun, mas napalalim ko yung pananampalataya ko sa Kanya at doon ko din naramdaman yung pagbabago na ginawa niya sa akin at alam kong plano niya yon na maging isa akong worship team sa church na yon na para papurihan ko siya at para din mabago yung aking buhay.
Hi guys, my name is Aldrin Daya from G12 Aristotle at may gusto lang akong i-share sa inyong verse at ito yung favorite kong verse na 1 chapter 1 verse 1 at nang pasimula ay naroon na ang salita at ang salita ay kasama ng Diyos at ang salita ay Diyos. Introduce Jesus as divine word. From word of divine is banal na salita na nang gagaling sa Diyos na makikita natin sa Biblia o sa Bible. Ito yung nakakapagpabago sa atin at naiiwas tayo sa mali nating gawain at tinatama niya tayo sa tamang landas at ginagabayan niya tayo sa pang-araw-araw at it highlights Jesus' rule as God's communication to us, to humanity at nakikita niya tayo sa pagkakapantay-pantay na kanyang nilikha.
The only thing I have in life is fighting because they bully me because they are exaggerating. And also a punch in until I meet some friends and I got along with them until become a bad boy. We punch everywhere until we decided to go to church. They said went to church to reduce our sin until we gradually met God. And we were realized that nothing God can from fighting it's better if you have many traps than my enemies.
I was a kid. I was toy obsessed man. Every shiny things in the store had to be mine. My parents tried to teach me about money, but I just wanted more, more and more. My room was a plastic jungle, but I never felt truly happy. Then things changed. Our family needed money. They realized those I hoarded were a waste. Guilt was a heavy weight, but it was also made me grow up. I learned that happiness wasn't about toys. It was about family and helping each other. Today, I look back as a kid who didn't understand, but I also see a man who learned a valuable lesson. Sometimes the best things in life are free.